Lychees make a delicious sorbet. Let's make it. Start with 2 cans of lychee. Pour all of the juice out and strain the solids. Add sugar to the juice and bring to a boil. While your sugar is coming to a boil, puree your solids. Put your lychee fruit into a food processor. When all your sugar is dissolved, turn off your heat and cool to room temperature. Now that your syrup has cooled to room temperature, you'll want to add your lime juice. Use a fork to get all those fibers in your lime to break open. While it's running, pour syrup into your processor where your fruit is already pureed. Process until it's all well mixed. Pour your mixture into a wide pan and place it into the freezer. We use a wide pan so there's more surface area, which helps make your mixture freeze faster. Alright, so we've pulled our mixture out of the freezer and broken it up into big chunks. I'm going to add some lime zest right on top. I'm using a small grater for this. Alright, and then we're going to make sure that we have all of this good stuff right in there. I'm going to put this back into our food processor in frozen chunks. And we'll turn this on to process again. Now that we have all of our frozen ingredients in the processor, we're going to add 1 egg white. Egg whites help with the texture of the sorbet and helps keep air suspended in your sorbet. It's best to use a pasteurized egg white if you can find it. It's now a good texture, but you want to freeze it a little bit more solid before you scoop. Now you want to take your mixture and put it in the freezer one more time before serving. It's now at the perfect consistency and the sorbet will scoop nicely. Alright, we'll garnish this with a little bit of mint and an orchid. And that's how you make lychee sorbet.